see say I dey feel your Gbola for my womb. In fact, what I want use the womb to save. Knock me. This is the womb. Onobrozi rot. Makoye be rot. Inwete mokeye.
Abeg fine girl, no vex o. I fit follow you talk. I been sit down the other side. I see as you dey here. I say make I come follow you talk. Make I advertise my business for you.
Oh really? You dey do business?
Yes o.
Wow, really? Which business you dey do?
My business dey funny sha, but I know say you go like am. I dey do hookup. I be hookup boy.
Don't you want person no go hear for Lagos boys? So which one be you're into hookup?
You know as the economy dey like this now, person got find hours wey go work for am. You understand?
So you dey do hookup too?
Interested. You understand? Me I dey knack well, I dey fire down.
As you see me so, abu me ezigbote onye auto. Ifum kam na auto, when you see me, knocking, the way they knock me, the way they arrange my leg, based on look down on me, are they capable? As you see me like this, once I don't see better man, we get better Gbola. Once you don't chew camp, 4 hours they learn work. 4 hours they learn work. As far your work, now to just know how to arrange me. Once you don't knock me, the thing just knock me. Make sure say, your Gbola enter inside me. Just knock me, man. Say, I dey feel your Gbola for my womb. In fact, what I want use the womb to save. Knock me. This is the womb. Onobrozi rot. Makoye be rot. Inwete mokeye yenye goto. Oh God! As they talk to me like this now, I don't dey wet. The thing don't hold me like this now. As you tell me say your Gbola be. The last time where I carry person go house, the person no fit knock me the way I want. Now from window, I from sling am.
Na my work. If I no sabi do am, I no go come here. I go do you well. I go come meet you for room.